Hi, Willie Stultz here with Industrial Power Trucking Equipment, aka IP Trucks. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on this 2013 Hino 268. It's stock number 41620 if you'd like to take a look at it on our website. Before we start the walk around, we're going to talk about a couple things our customers are looking for. Number one, they're looking for a quality, durable truck that they can buy and immediately put on the road and start making money. Another thing they're looking for is a truck that either has warranty or can have warranty put on it. And another thing that our customers are looking for is a truck that they can finance. So pretty much what our customers are looking for is a one-stop truck shop to purchase a truck, get it financed, and out on the road. We bring our trucks in either from our leasing department or our customer trade-ins. We weed out the ones that we don't want. We keep the really high-quality trucks for our customers. Once we do that, we put it through a 150-point process. We go through the cabs, the bodies, the lift gates, the tires, the brakes, air conditioners, look at the motors and transmissions. So we really put our hands on every part of these trucks. Once that's done, then I take it and I personally test drive the truck. We put it through QC, get it cleaned up, detailed, take pictures, videos, and put it on Frontline for sale. This particular truck, as I said, it's a 2013 Hino 268. And on top of the 150-point checklist that we did on this truck, we've also changed the engine oil filter, replaced the fuel filter, the air filter. We serviced the SCR system on this truck, and the windshield wiper blades have been replaced. This is it's got the Hino 220 horse diesel engine in it. It's also got a 6-speed Allison automatic transmission. Let's take a look at the inside of this truck. As we climb up into the truck, it is a conventional truck, so it has a hood, but it's got a lot of places for your guys to grab a hold of. This particular truck has got a suspension driver's seat, and it's also got a 2-person bench seat, so you can put a crew of 3 in here. You can look out the windshield. You got really good visibility. Even though it is a conventional truck, the hood sits low, so you can still see pretty close in front of you. So that gives you a safe, functional vehicle for your guys to drive. And even though this truck is a pre-owned truck, it's been detailed to a very high standard, so it's a safe, clean truck for your guys. And as I said, it is a diesel, and it's got an automatic transmission in it. So you guys can basically get in here and start it up, put it in drive, and take off. It's a very easy truck to drive, and therefore it goes back to being a very safe truck for your guys to drive. Let's take a look at the business into this truck. A lot of people aren't aware of this, but Hino is Toyota's commercial vehicle. So when you buy a Hino, you're getting Toyota's quality and dependability that they're known for. This particular body here is a Morgan. It's a 24-foot FRP van body, so it's fiberglass reinforced plywood, very durable. It's got a 50-gallon fuel tank on it. And as we go down here, you're going to see the back tires. This truck has a ton of tread left on it. Therefore, you're not going to be buying this truck and have to automatically take it down to the tire shop to get tires put on it. It's got new mud flaps on it. And this particular truck has a large aluminum platform, 3,000-pound tuckaway lift gate on it, and a 13-foot pull-out ramp. Roll-up rear door. The lift gate, platform, and steps are very heavy-duty. So if you are going dock to dock, you can back up. You're not going to have to worry about damaging it. Let's get the back door up on this truck. Let's get the lift gate down and take a look inside of it. We got the lift gate down, and like I said, this is a very large platform. I think it's about 80 by 55. You can put a pallet and your pallet jack on there if you're not going dock to dock, or if you have to unload it on the ground. It is a level lift platform. So right now it's a wedge. It goes straight to the ground, but then you pick it up and it makes it level. And it remains level all the way up, which is really nice. You don't have to worry about your load falling off. and it goes to the top, and it's been adjusted so it's a smooth transition. There's no lips. You can take your product straight in. As I said, this is a 24 foot, it's 97 inches tall, by 102 wide, a very desirable size for people. Plenty of cargo room. It's got 2 rows of E-track to tie your stuff down. It's got the wood slats, and it's got wood scuff that go all the way to the front. It's got metal scuff across the front, and then the slats, and then E-track slats and scuff around the back. It's got an aluminum roof that's in really good shape. It's got 2 dome lights in case your guys are having to get loaded in a dark situation or unloaded. It's also got a laminated hardwood floor that's in really good shape, and they're very durable and resilient, so you get many years of use out of this. Then we'll come back down on the gate. It's power down and power up, very nice gate. And it's level there, and then it tilts down to load or unload. As we've said before, here at Industrial Power, we don't just see this as a big white truck. We see it as a mobile billboard. We can take your name, your graphics, your design, wrap the complete body, wrap the cab if you want to, and make this truck look virtually brand new, even though it is a pre-owned truck. We've hit a lot of the high spots on this truck on this walk around today. I think we've done a really good job. If you'll stick with us for a minute, we're going to start this truck up, do another walk around of it, and let you get a more up close look at it. And if you want to look at our trucks or this particular truck, please go to iptruck.com, our Facebook, or subscribe to our YouTube page where we're putting new trucks and pre-owned trucks online virtually every day. Thank you for your time.